So many of you have been messaging me and asking me about discount codes for the fragrances that were featured in the ScentClub mystery box that we dropped a couple weeks ago. And so I've coordinated discount codes with 9 out of the 12 brands and working on the other 3 brands as of now as well. I've posted the discount codes on the perfumeguy.net website where the page of discount codes are. But I'm going to go over them with you here today in this video. And even though I have a regularly scheduled video, dropping in a couple hours after this, I just wanted to go over the discount codes so you guys have them since perhaps you haven't checked the website, and also give you some updates about ScentClub kits going forward as well. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian. Yeah, today we're talking about the discount codes of the fragrances that were featured in Mystery Box. Did you get a Mystery Box? So there were some issues with deliveries. I don't know what happened with this particular drop and the postal service. Most of you got them. Some of you might have not received them. So we have probably about 4 or 5 that we're holding on to. And within the next week or so, once everyone has theirs and doesn't report any, missing or issues, we might drop a few more mystery boxes, but we shall see, because we are holding on to any in case some problems arise. But as I was saying, you guys were messaging me, asking me for discount codes on the mystery box kit, and this is the mystery box kit. If you have yours, you probably got one like this, although some of the packing material for the actual samples themselves might be different. But the samples are all the same. So this is a pretty popular kit. You guys seem to really enjoy it, and I'm hoping to do another one by the end of the year. Stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I'm going to talk to you about the discount codes. So there's the discount codes for Dusita's Rosarine. It's the first fragrance that's listed in the kit. So this discount code, there's a from the USA, you can use the Perfume Guy discount code and it saves you 15% off, and these are all linked in the info box. You can get them, or you can also order it directly from the Dusita website, and once again there is a discount there for 15% off as well. So if you're in the USA, use the link for buying this fragrance here in the USA, and if you are in the EU, you can use the link to buy that fragrance there, and both places you can save 15% off. So that's for Rosarine from Dusita. It's funny how I received messages of people enjoying that one quite a bit, so that's great. There are fans of that fragrance out there. And in case you don't know, I mentioned this last year. Some of the brands were asking me and telling me, "Thanks so much for listing me at the top." The only reason the way that the brands ended up at the top is whoever sent me the fragrance first. So if you're a brand and you sent me samples first, your name went up there, and then second, third, fourth. So that's how I listed them. I kept good track of when the brands sent samples, and I put them in order. So the next brand listed in the paperwork in the mystery box is Sarah Baker with Gold Spot, this one right here. So there is a discount code. There's only one website. It's 15% off for here in the USA, because I believe Sarah Baker has a USA, distributor, not distributor, but like warehouse where they warehouse the fragrances, and then also in the EU and the UK where she's based out of. And there's one discount code listed as well. It saves you 15% off, so you can use that discount code for any Sarah Baker fragrances. And of course, the previous brand, same thing, Dusita. Same thing. If you use the discount code here in the USA for all her fragrances, you save 15% off, and also off of her own website, you'll save 15% off. So the next one is D'Orsay with EQ, this one right here. By the way, stay tuned for a full review of 11 fragrances from D'Orsay, because I really enjoy this brand, and that was the reason why I wanted to feature their latest release, and also talk about the whole brand. So stay tuned for that video. But there is a discount code over at Lucky Scent. This is now selling, the brand is now selling at Lucky Scent. You can use the discount code on all fragrances from D'Orsay. Unfortunately, there's no discount code for usage in the EU website for D'Orsay, but if you are in the USA, you can take advantage of the discount code. It saves you 10% off. Yeah, stay tuned for that video. I really enjoy the brand. Very Parisian fragrances. I really love their fragrances, and you'll find out where that fragrance ends up in a ranked list. So then we're going with number 4. It's a juice box, Visionary Eye, this one right here. So there is a discount code for 10% off. I think it's 10% off. Yeah, there's a discount code for 10% off. Sorry, I kind of lost my train of thought. The discount code is in the info box. You can take advantage of that on this or any juice box fragrances. And so I wasn't able to get a discount code for Italy because the brand's based out of Italy. But if you guys are in the EU and are looking, you guys can look around and see if you can find something over there. But as far as the USA goes, if you want to order any juice box, you can use the discount code in the info box and use you take 10% off. And then finally, it's Kajal. It's Masa, this one right here. So there is a discount code for this brand as well. It's 10% off. It's linked in the info box. If you're interested in this fragrance or any other Kajal fragrance, you can take advantage of the discount code and save 10% off of any Kajal fragrances. And then on to Angelo's Creations Olfactives. So Krinos, I know there was a lot of fans, and many of you said this was a great fragrance. And I smelled this in March, and I said we got to feature this fragrance in the ScentClub kit. So thankfully, he made this available to be featured in ScentClub mystery box, and also this is exclusively selling at Lucky Scent. Nowhere else you'll be able to find it. And there is a 10% off discount code. You can wait, where is it? Yeah, there is a 10% off discount code for this one as well. If you're a fan of it, get it now. There's not a lot of stock, so I think it's going to be fairly limited and also exclusive to Lucky Scent. So get your bottles ASAP because this stuff is really, really great. One of my favorite fragrances of that brand. I really, really love it. And I enjoy the green floral touches of the Lily of the Valley note. Then going to the house of Javoy, this is Musk Palace, this one right here. So there is a discount code, 10% off to buy that directly from Javoy, the Javoy Paris website. I have a link in the info box. You'll be able to take advantage of that and get that fragrance from there as well. This is a really nice, kind of airy, musky fragrance with light fruity hints under there as well. And then we've got Day 3 fragrances, Say Less, this one right here. So Say Less is a clean, soapy, iris, powdery fragrance that I really fell in love with in comparison to the other fragrances from this house, and I wanted to feature it here, and it's ended up here great. And we have a discount code for this one as well, and it's listed in the info box. It is 15% off. So you'll save 15% off of that fragrance or any purchase from the Day 3 fragrances website. And then unfortunately the next 3 fragrances, I don't have any discount codes yet. So if you guys are in the market for these fragrances, you're just going to have to get them as is. I'm working on them, but it's not coming together as fast as I wanted it to be. So it's taken some time. And unfortunately at this time, no discounts for Parfums, Quartana, Ierofante. This one right here. The one that smells like gasoline, leather, suede. And then currently I don't have a discount code for Muscat for Ormonde Jayne either. So that is hopefully coming soon. That one's the one that's the furthest along with getting a discount code set up for it. And then OLIBANUM, SACRA. I don't have anything set up for this one yet either, but I am working with their, not distributor to be exact, but a company that kind of assists them launching this brand here. So I don't know how easily I'm going to have time-wise to get a discount code set up for this one. But these are under $100, I believe, for the bottle. So they're not overly expensive. But that is OLIBANUM SACRA. And then finally, we do have a discount code for Ambre Tibet from Maitre Parfum at Gantier. So Ambre Tibet, there's a discount code of 10% off, and it's linked in the info box. And also stay tuned for a video on all of the amber fragrances of that brand. In fact, we featured the Ambre Tibet in mystery box, and I've also featured Maitre Parfum at Gantier's Ambre Perso, the original amber that started it all, in a previous ScentClub kit. The original kits, the kit number 4, which we sold the most of. Anyway, those are the discount codes. If you're looking to buy the fragrances, take advantage of them now. The discount codes are very, very limited time. And of course, Krinos is exclusively selling at Lucky Scent, and it is a limited release as well. And again, it's one of my favorites. Really love that smell. So I've got the discount codes all set up in the info box. You can take advantage of those now. Just a quick couple of words also with ScentClub kits. We now have only, as of the recording of this video, 12 each of kit number 5 and kit number 6. So those are almost sold out completely. Once they're gone, they're gone. We are not dropping any more number 5 and number 6. So going forward, now, as I said, I am planning on doing another mystery box, but I have no idea when it's going to happen. Stay tuned for it. If you want to get notified, please make sure you have actually purchased a kit, and make sure you mark that you want to be marketed to. If you've unselected it, you will not get an email. And also, if you haven't gotten an email, check your spam, or I don't know. I think some people are having issues getting our emails. Add our email address to your address book. I don't know what else to say, because you should get the emails if you are, if you've selected to be marketed to. And if they're not in your spam, I have no idea what else to say. You'll have to check with your own email provider or whatever to make sure that the emails don't go missing. But yeah, I will be dropping another mystery box, and I'm hoping it'll come together much faster this time. The last one I wanted to drop much earlier after I got back from Aix-en-Provence in April. I was planning on it, but I got sick. So I'm going to 2 different shows here in a couple of weeks. So hopefully I will coordinate with different brands and samples and things like that, and we'll be able to do another mystery box. It'll be a surprise. I will announce it the day before that the official drop happens, like we did the last time. So if you're subscribed, you will get the notification that we are dropping it, obviously. So that should happen hopefully by the end of the year. Now, in regards to the other kits, there is a surprise. There's a surprise kit hopefully dropping here in September. And then kit number 7 will be moved to October because of this surprise kit. And just a little info on it. I can't really share much info on it, but I'm working with a brand that's directly taking all of the kit, and they're launching some fragrances, and they're giving us the exclusive sampling of their fragrances. And I've sampled them. I know the Perfumer personally, and the fragrances are great, and they're going to be very limited quantity, and it's a pretty big brand, and so they're going to come and go really fast, because the brand's going to release the fragrances only on their website. Nowhere else you'll be able to go to sample the fragrances. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully it'll come together. I'm hoping it will. It will be launching while I'm gone to Europe, so it'll be like launching sometime in September. I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed. So that's that. And then we have a surprise discovery set drop as well from a brand individually, which I'll tell you guys all about. And then hopefully by kit number 7, it'll be by the end of October. And then after that, if we are able to do the mystery box again, we'll do one towards the end of the year, and then finally one last kit at the end of the year, the regular kits with new bottles, because we are working on new bottles. I've seen them. They're really nice, and we're hoping to get them crimped as well, and they are going to be slightly larger bottles as well. So all that stuff is coming up. Mark your calendars. The surprise kit in September sometime, the surprise discovery drop also in October, and then kit number 7 sometime in October, and then another mystery box, and also a last kit of the year will be towards the end of the year, if all goes well. I should let you know, I've got a video launching later today on the Sculpture Parfum fragrance. This is the Sculpture Parfum. I did a short on this fragrance, and a lot of you were asking me to review it. This is it right here. So I bought that, and I'll tell you where I got it from, how much I paid for it, and also compare it to the original. So that should drop within the next hour or so. Might be right after too, right after this video airs. And also tomorrow, you'll find out all about this fragrance, which I was able to get advance as well. I don't think it's actually officially launched yet. But stay tuned for all that. If you have any questions or comments, as I said, please list below. Please like this video. Please share it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Goodbye.